All right, good day, guys, and welcome. We have this question from JAMB 2007, question 20, where we are asked to factorize 2t squared plus t minus 15. So quickly, we dive into our question by writing solution. Write solution. Next, we copy out our expression. We have 2t squared plus t minus 15. Now take note of the fact that our value for a, this expression, is equal to 2, while our value for b is equal to plus 1, and our value for c is equal to minus 15. And since a is not equal to 1, we find the factors of ac that when added gives us b. Now, to get our value for AC, we write AC equal to value for A is 2 times bracket open minus 15 bracket close. Hence, our value for AC is equal to minus 30. Now, the factors of minus 30 is our value for AC that gives us B when added are plus 6 and minus 5, because 6 times minus 5 gives us minus 30, and plus 6 minus 5 gives us 1, gives us plus 1, which is our value for B. Therefore, having this at the back of our mind, we copy out our expression again. 2t squared plus t minus 15 is equal to 2t squared plus 6t minus 5t minus 15. Proceed by factorizing out 2t from 2t squared plus 6t, and we end up having 2t bracket open t plus 3 bracket close. Now we'll factor out minus 5 from minus 5t minus 15, and we'll have minus 5 bracket open t plus 3 bracket close. This ends up giving us a bracket open t plus 3 bracket close bracket open 2t minus 5 bracket close as our final answer. Thank you.